Hello kids. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Guru. Let's learn to solve complicated algebraic equation. This question has been taught to one of the students from USA.
Let's try to solve this question out. And we have minus 2 over 3, 5x minus 3 over equals to 3 over minus 5 plus 6. So minus 2 over 3. First step is 5x. This minus and this minus becomes plus 3 equals to 3 over minus 5 plus 6. The step number 2 is let's cross multiply. Minus 2 times minus 5x plus 6 equals to 3 times 3 times 5x plus 3 closing brackets. So minus 2 times minus 5x is?
Wait, what?
Minus 2 times minus 5x is?
It's 10x.
10x. Minus 2 times 6 is?
Negative 12.
Yeah, equals to 3 times 3 is 9, 5x plus 3. So 10x minus 12 equals to 9 times 5 is?
45.
45x.
Yeah, 45x.
And plus 9 times 3 is?
27.
So let's take 45x on this side of the equation. So plus 45x on this side of the equation becomes negative 45x equals to 27 on this side. Let's take negative 12 on the other side of the equation. That becomes plus 12.
Yeah.
So 10x minus 45x is?
It would be negative 35.
Yeah, negative 35x
35x.
equals to 27 plus 12 is?
It would be 39.
39. So x dividing both sides of the equation by negative 35, we will be getting x value as x equals to negative 39 over 35. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.